welcome back to my video. Today we are at the Sportacular Volleyball Tournament at Senior High School for Bangkala. The energy is crazy, the crowd is loud, and we've got some amazing matches ahead. Let's check it out. Coach what's your role for the team in this competition?
The player fair, bestly focus, and enjoy every moment.
Awesome, good luck for the match, coach. Thank you. Here we have the winner of the match today. Can you please tell your name and what's your position? How does it feel win the game?
It feels amazing. Never had support fans make this game.
Wow, congratulations Nabila Chipida. Thank you. As you can see, the supporters are really hyped. Let's talk to one. What's your name? Can I ask something? How does it feel to support your team today?
So excited. I'm nervous, but I really proud of them.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry. This event wasn't run without the committee, and now I'm with Wulan. Can I ask something, Wulan?
Yes, okay.
How do you feel about this tournament?
Going really well. The men are excited. Others are enjoying.
Awesome. Then thank you for the time, Wulan.